Man of Steel, Superman. The powerful Kryptonian has arrived on the legendary battlefield due to various reasons. During the day, he is just an ordinary human being, but once someone faces a disaster, he will step forward to save the world.
Explore an ancient battlefield. Discover lost treasure. Introducing War of the Ruins, a new mode. Climb up the rankings to earn great rewards. But remember, there can only be one champion. Will it be you? The War of the Ruins awaits. Honorable deaths will be remembered. Where's Juan?
He's heading northeast with some others. Please, spare me.
You're not worth my time. Let's go, Tommy. Let him fend for himself.
The whole team were wiped out today. Me and Assassin are the only survivors. But right now we can't go anywhere while this Hannibal's having its meal. Huh? What the hell is she thinking? That key attached to his belt must lead to the legendary treasure. I have to get it. Huh? Ah, shit.